What's up, everyone? Crypto Patrick here. You guys are all awesome. Litecoin is going up right now. We're at like $290. It's been down for a little while, but now we have a 17% increase. With that celebration, I'm going to give away some Litecoin. This is my LitePay debit card, replacing Bitcoin debit cards because LitePay has such low transaction fees. So what I'm going to do is pick a random comment on here and give away some Litecoin. Hopefully they added their address on here. If you guys watch my videos, make sure you put your address on a comment. I do this all the time. I might give away some Litecoin for this video coming up too. So just make sure to put your address. All right, let's see if someone gets picked right now. All right, here we go. Here's the first winner. We got Christian Winterstein right here. Okay, so I'm going to take that address. And this is the lucky winner, guys, right here. We're going to give away some Litecoin right now. I'm going to come to my Exodus wallet, and I'm going to give away, let's say, do this. Let's do 0.0, is it 5, or 0.09? I'm going to give 0.09 away, $22 right here, guys. So, here's the Litecoin address. Just double check that real quick. This is my giveaway. Remember, if you guys watch my channel, I'm going to give giveaway. I do giveaways like this because I think, we all need a chance to earn some coins that we can invest into. Some people don't have the opportunity. I like to give people opportunities. That's why I put a link in the description from how to mine. I make a lot of my profits off mining. I do mining for Litecoin on Genesis, and I also do mining for Bitcoin on Bitclub Network. So here you go, Christian. You are the lucky winner. Value $25 worth of Litecoin. We're going to send it over right now. Success. All right, guys. That was the winner of my video. I'm also going to do one on this video, and if you guys look at my Ripple videos, I'm going to send out some Ripple on there too. So just a little bit about Litecoin right now. I want to show you guys the market. So Litecoin right now, we all know it's really good. It's like $500 billion is the market for Litecoin. Or what are we at right now? We're at 15 billion. Look at there's 2 trillion in volume. It's $287. 54 million is the circulating supply. It's up 17%. Litecoin is the silver standard of Bitcoin. It's twice as fast as Bitcoin. There's 4 times the supply of Bitcoin. It has atomic swapping. We got LitePay debit card is coming out for that, and that's going to be huge, guys. This is something I've been talking about for a while. You're going to start being able to use LitePay at commercial billing, donations. You're basically wherever you use your card now, just like a BitPay debit card, you're going to be able to use your Litecoin debit card, which is just huge news. I think we're going to see Litecoin hit 300. It's already going to hit 300. I think we're going to hit 350 to 400 in January alone. By summertime, we might be looking at $1,000 Litecoin with these debit cards coming out, with a lot more people saying they're going to start using them. There's a lot of hype around Litecoin. It was down for a little bit, but now it's back up. Look at this is on Reddit right now. I just want to show you guys a little speculation. Will we break 300 tonight? Look at the candle patterns from last night, up, down, up, down. So what happens here, guys, if you're new to cryptocurrency, is these cryptos go down for a little bit, then they consolidate higher. They go down and consolidate higher. I wouldn't recommend to buy Litecoin when it's 17% up because it will probably dip again, but it might not go back down. It might keep going up, but it might have small dips from here on out. I think it's time to put a limit sell order on $1 million. People are laughing, saying it's going to, in a few days, 1K soon. A lot of people are. There's a lot of speculation. There's a lot of hype. If you guys come over here to Investpedia, why is Litecoin vastly underrated? Well, a lot of people say Litecoin has done quite well in recent years. As of January, it's the 8th largest digital currency in the world with a market cap of 13 billion. Yet, speculators believe Litecoin has yet to reach its full potential as an alternative to Bitcoin and other digital currencies. Perhaps this reason is many investors are still unsure of how it differentiates itself from its big brothers. Well, how it differentiates itself is, guys, it's the higher supply, faster transactions, atomic swapping. There's just so much, and transactions are just so cheap. I think you pay like It's very, very low cost. I sent it. I didn't even worry about how much I was spending because it was so low. What was going on. And Litecoin, why it's good, you guys, is Litecoin. It's just, it's a really great current currency. A lot of there's been a lot of hype around it and a lot of things going on. And what I'm doing right now to profit on it is just I'm going over. If you guys look at Genesis mining right here, this is where I am actually mining Litecoin. Like before, I was mining Dash. If you guys look right here, but I'm look. Here's all my mining right here. If you look at my dashboard, I've been mining Dash for the last couple months on here, but this is a really good one. And if you guys are new to cryptocurrency mining, Genesis Mining is a legit facility. It's brick and mortar. They actually have like a facility in Iceland, just like Bitclub Network. And I just started making my minings today, but just with them, I've only put in $30, and I already made up to 121 on Bitcoin. I'm just starting Litecoin, so there's no profits yet. And if you look at the bonus and payouts, let me guys show you one thing on here. They have an affiliate program, which is really good. You can buy hash power, and I've already reached a silver rank, meaning I've accumulated 2,656 in sales. Like people are already going on here, making a lot through just my affiliate program. All you have to do is just use this little code right here. But yeah, this is one. If you're mining, guys, you can take these profits out and reinvest them. And I also do Bitclub Network, which is a really good one, and I'll show you guys why. Like I've been withdrawing through here, like at $200, $200. I've only been with Bitclub like probably 2 months, and it's already really, really good. I recommend it to everyone out there that has never seen it before. And if you want to see just what mining looks like in Bitclub,
there's a lot of
let me show you guys real quick.
Being on Bitclub Network.
Yeah. So So here's you can see right here that they have a public record in your back office of all the payouts that you get. So you can see here's my account, and these are payouts that I'm showing you that I just get all throughout the day.
That's in December.
You get these from mining guys, from affiliates, but Bitclub Network is the highest paying mining pool for Bitcoin. They own like
so you can see here, we're just getting all these Bitcoin payouts over and over again, all throughout the day. There's $10 worth of Bitcoin, $20, $10, $10, $50, $10, $40.
That's all from one day, guys.
If this thing was like hooked up to notifications on your smartphone all throughout the day, if you build this thing the way I teach.
You guys can watch my video on this, but there is a lot of money to be made on Bitclub Network. This is where you can come over here and see a little bit. They have like a binary system, but one of their main things is mining. You get your own mining rig, and so for Bitcoin mining, they also have an Ethereum and Zcash and Monero. They're really good. For Litecoin and Dash, I'm using Genesis mining, which is really good. So just a little bit on Litecoin right now, where I think it's going. Obviously, Litecoin's a really good coin because it's decentralized. It's based on blockchain technology. But with the market cap and it being up right now, that 17%, I think it's going to keep going. Like if we look at the all-time high of where it's been, we know it's been about like 300 before. Let's just take a look when this loads right here. Here's the 3-month graph. Okay, so looking at the 3-month graph, we were at a high of, look right here. It was like 362. I think it got to like 380. I think we're going to get back into this, you guys. We're going to hit, at least 400 by the end of this month. And I think we're going to hit, after the LitePay debit card comes out and other more favorable news, I think we're going to hit $1,000 for Litecoin. This is a great investment. Litecoin is one of the top ones. I think it's going to surpass Bitcoin and become the gold standard. It hasn't yet. Right now, Ripple is the #2 spot. And, Ripple's not bad either, but, I think Litecoin is, you can mine it. There's a lot of value to it. And I'm a big supporter of Bitcoin. So you guys heard it first, $1,000 in 2018. And just look at these prices. You can always see it goes down, consolidates higher, goes down, consolidates higher. So we just experienced like a decrease, but now it's going to consolidate higher. And that's all I wanted to show you guys for tonight. This is kind of just a mellow video just to do a giveaway. And I'm also going to do another Litecoin giveaway on this video. So please put your address on this video, and I'm going to send about $20 of Litecoin out. Thanks, guys, and I'm going to end it with this song.
This house party is crazy.
Peace.